Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings of peace to all of you. As chairperson of the Senate Committee on Women, Children, Family Relations, and Gender Equality, my sincerest congratulations and salute to the City of Isabela for your landmark legislation entitled Hijab Ordinance of Isabela. This is a big step in the inclusion of women of the Muslim faith and is such a meaningful gift to the women and even men of Isabela, to the women and even men of Isabela this Women's Month. It is my hope that we can mirror your achievements on the national level. Buo ang suporta ko sa panukalang batas ni Senator Robin Hood Padilla, ang Senate Bill 1272 na naglalayong gawing National Hijab Day ang unang araw ng Pebrero taon-taon. Tiyak na makakatulong ang ganitong batas. Katulad ng ordinansyang ipinasa ninyo sa paglaban sa diskriminasyon nararanasan ng mga babaeng Muslim. Nakikipag-isa po ako sa inyo sa ordinansyang ito, and I look forward to the many future achievements and contributions of Isabela to our nation. Once again, congratulations, City of Isabela. Allah, mabuhay po kayong lahat.
Bukas, boto mo ang Lunas. 8 diretso.
Abangan ang mga kwentong yan ngayong Huwebes ng gabi sa Rescue pagkatapos ng Saksi.
Naproxen sodium is a generic name of Stellantis. Symptoms persist. Consult your doctor.